Welcome to this journey through the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, our ancient companion, and one of the most influential forces shaping life on Earth. Suspended in the sky, the moon appears silent, still, eternal. But beneath its quiet glow lies a story of violence, rhythm and cosmic choreography. Tonight we explore the moon's origins, its phases, its surface, its influence, and its place in human history. Let's begin at the beginning. Origins of the moon. The moon was born from chaos, roughly 4.5 billion. Years ago, a Mars-sized body called Theia collided with the young Earth. The impact was catastrophic. Debris from both bodies was ejected into orbit. Over time, this debris coalesced into a sphere. That sphere became the moon. It's not just a chunk of Earth, it's a blend of Earth and Theia. Its composition tells us this. The moon's crust is rich in anorthosite, a light-colored rock formed from molten oceans. Its interior is layered, crust, mantle, and a small iron core. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere, no wind, no rain. Its surface is frozen in time, preserving billions of years of history. The moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth, but its gravitational influence is profound. It stabilizes our planet's axial tilt, preventing wild climate swings. It slows Earth's rotation gradually, lengthening our days over eons. Without the moon, Earth would be a very different world. Phases and orbit. The moon doesn't produce light, it reflects sunlight. As it orbits Earth, the angle between the sun, Earth, and moon changes. This creates the familiar phases. New moon, invisible, positioned between Earth and sun, waxing crescent. A sliver of light grows first quarter, half lit, rising at noon, waxing gibbous, nearly full. Full moon, fully illuminated, rising at sunset. Waning gibbous, light begins to fade. Last quarter, half lit again, but shrinking. Waning crescent, a final sliver before darkness. This cycle repeats every 29.5 days, a lunar month. It's not just visual, it's gravitational. The moon's pull affects tides, animal behavior, even human sleep cycles. Ancient civilizations tracked these phases to guide agriculture, rituals, and calendars. The moon became a symbol of time itself, predictable, cyclical, eternal. Surface and geography. The moon's surface is a battlefield, scarred, silent, and ancient. It tells the story of a solar system in its violent youth. Craters dominate the landscape, each one a frozen explosion. Some are shallow and wide, others deep and jagged. The largest, the South Pole Aitken Basin, spans over 1,500 miles and plunges more than 5 miles deep. It's one of the biggest impact craters in the entire solar system. The moon's geography is divided into two main terrains. Maria, Latin for seas, are the dark flat plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. They cover about 16% of the lunar surface and are mostly found on the near side. These regions are smoother, younger, and rich in basalt. Highlands are older, brighter, and heavily cratered. Composed mostly of anorthosite, they reflect more sunlight and give the moon its patchy appearance. Then there are the rills, long, winding channels that snake across the surface. Some are collapsed, lava tubes. Others are tectonic fractures. They hint at a time when the moon was geologically active, when molten rock flowed beneath its crust. Covering everything is regolith, a layer of fine powdery dust mixed with shattered rock. It's the result of billions of years of micrometeorite impacts. Regolith varies in depth, from a few meters in the Maria to over 20 meters in the highlands. It clings to everything. It's sharp, dry, and electrostatically charged. Apollo astronauts described it as smelling like burnt gunpowder. The moon's surface is a place of extremes. Temperatures swing from blistering heat to bone-chilling cold. In direct sunlight, it can reach 260 degrees, 127 degrees. In darkness, it plunges to 280 degrees, 173 degrees. There's no atmosphere to buffer these changes, no clouds, no wind, no rain, just silence. And yet the moon is not entirely dead. It experiences moonquakes, some triggered by tidal forces from Earth, others by thermal expansion or meteor impacts. These quakes are subtle but real, revealing that the moon still shifts. and stirs beneath its surface. The poles of the moon hold special interest. In permanently shadowed craters near the South Pole, scientists have detected water ice. Protected from sunlight for billions of years, this ice could be a vital resource. For future explorers, it could provide drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel. The moon's geography is not just a map, it's a memory, a record of collisions, eruptions, and silence. It's a place where time stands still, where footprints last forever, where every crater is a chapter in the story of the cosmos. Tidal locking, and the far side the moon is tidally locked. It rotates once for every orbit around Earth. This means we always see the same face. The far side remained a mystery until 1959, when the Soviet Luna 3 probe sent back the first images. What it revealed was stark. No Maria, no smooth plains, just craters. A rugged, untouched landscape. The far side isn't always dark. It receives sunlight too. But it's hidden from Earth, a reminder that even familiar things have secrets. Later missions like China's Chang'e 4 landed on the far side, revealing new insights. Into lunar geology. We're still learning, still exploring. Eclipses and lunar events sometimes. The moon aligns perfectly with the sun and Earth. This creates eclipses. Solar eclipse. Moon blocks the sun. Lunar eclipse. Earth's shadow falls on the moon. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon turns red. Filtered sunlight bends through Earth's atmosphere. We call this a blood moon. Other events include supermoon, when the moon is closest to Earth, micromoon, when it's farthest, blue moon, the second full moon in a calendar month. These events don't change the moon itself, but they change how we experience it. They remind us of the precision and beauty of celestial mechanics. Influence on Earth. The moon's gravitational pull creates tides. It stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, keeping seasons predictable. Without the moon, Earth would wobble. Climate would swing wildly. Life as we know, it might not exist. The moon also affects biology. Coral spawning, animal migration, and even human sleep patterns show lunar influence. Some studies suggest people sleep less during full moons. Others link lunar phases to mood and behavior. The moon is not just a rock in the sky. It's a regulator, a guardian. Exploration and Apollo legacy in 1969. Humans walked on the moon. Apollo 11's Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin spent just over 2 hours on the surface. They collected samples, planted a flag, and left behind instruments. Between 1969 and 1972, 12 astronauts explored the moon. They drove rovers. They drilled into the regolith. They left behind seismic sensors that still transmit data. Their footprints remain, because there's no wind to erase them, no rain to wash them away. The moon is a monument to exploration, a place where humanity touched another world. The moon's future, NASA's Artemis program, aims to return humans to the moon. This time, to stay. Plans include lunar bases, resource extraction, and even tourism. The moon may become a stepping stone to Mars. A launch pad for deeper space missions. A laboratory for science and survival. Private companies are joining the race. Rovers, landers, telescopes. The moon is becoming a frontier again, but it will also remain what it's always been. A mirror, a clock, a companion. Final reflections. The moon is more than a phase machine. It's a storyteller, a keeper of time, a witness to Earth's entire history. It reminds us that change is constant, that light returns, that cycles are sacred. So tonight, as you look up, know that you're watching a cosmic dance, one that began billions of years ago, one that continues silently above us. This is the moon, our neighbor, our mirror, our guide. Thank you for watching Bjorn Gaming. We hope you enjoy our content and think about subscribing to the channel.